Okay, so this is a quick video on how to make a histogram in Google Sheets. So I'm just looking at a set of results for the British Open 2021. Let's put a name on the file here, histogram. So this is the column I'm going to use. This is the 4-day or 72 hole score of each of the players. So this is the leader, so he's got the lowest score and so on. So I'll take that whole column. So everyone who made the cut is on this list. So take the whole column and insert chart. And depending on the data in question, it may be a bit smarter about what it does with it. But because you're only giving it one, or I've only given it one column of input, it assumes I want a line type plot like that. But I don't. I want a histogram. So to find a histogram, you go down here to Other, and there's a histogram chart. So I'll select that one. So now what I have is a histogram of the 4-day scores for this tournament. So you can see that over 45, what's that number there? Over 45 players had scores between 275 and 281. So I can change these settings. So there's a histogram item here on the right hand side. So if I want to change the size of the bins, so the bins are just how the data is being categorized. So what size of bin should I go for? So if it goes for automatic, that's what you get. If I make it 10, then I will see less bins. So I will make it even less. So I'll go for 5. So now I see it a bit more granularly. So the leader plus a number of other players looks like 4 or 5 scored between 265 and 270, and this you can see in the data, right? So 265, 267, 69, 69. So there's 4 there, and so on. If I go down the whole way, then it's less interesting perhaps. Um, but you can bin to a level of 1 if you wish. So you're looking at every single score. So you can see there, even in the data, there's many people who scored 278, 279, and so on. So I will just go with a bin of 2 just to see what that looks like. Bin of 2. Then I will put I'll put an axis on it. So strokes played over 72 holes. Okay, and then the vertical axis, we can say the frequency here, but I will say frequency in brackets, and I will say number of golfers. Okay, because that's what we're talking about here. So that's a very simple histogram for using Google Sheets. Okay, thank you.